Hello everyone, welcome back to MATLAB programming class. Today we're going to start a new chapter which is very important in our class, and it's going to be about the logical loops and conditional situations in MATLAB. Let me define the value for x equals to 4 and the y value, let's go with -2. So I put two values for x and y, and I can test the relationship like that, x less than y. Let's see what happens. The answer is 0, which is a negative. It means that x is not less than y. Y is smaller than x. So if I calculate again and reverse the order to bigger, is x bigger than y? And if I hit enter, the answer is 1. 1 means positive, 0 is negative. In another example, we can test it like x to 5, which is this, and then y equals x plus 3, which is going to be this. We do have a vector of x and a vector of y, and now we can test, is x smaller than y? All of them are correct. Means 4 is bigger than 1, 5 is bigger than 2, and vice versa. How about if I change the sign? All of them are incorrect. Let me clear the screen. Let me put it like that. -1, 2, 0, 4, and 6 will be x, and y will be 2, 1, -1, 5, and 9. This is going to be the value for y. And you notice that their numbers are the same. They do have the same number of variables. So let's go with x bigger than y. Is x bigger than y? Some of them are 0, some of them are positive, or 1, because the second element here is big. The second element in x is bigger than the second element in y. But the first element is less than that. And if I reverse it, the result will be reversed. We can also put less than or equal. The way that we'll put less than or equal is this. Can we put it here? You see that MATLAB always demands that the equal sign should be on the right side of any operation. Therefore, this will be correct. And also, this will be correct, because this equal sign is on the right side. How about x equal y? Before running this, I would like to explain that in any programming language, when you put x equals 1 only with one sign, it means that put the value of x equal to y. It is not a request, it's not a question. It is a command that when you put 1x, it just makes their values the same. However, when you put two values, two equation signs, or two other equations together, when you put two operations together like that, MATLAB is going to test it. Is x equal to y? And the result is negative, because they're not equal. None of their elements are equal to each other. Similarly, we do have this sign. And if I put x, y, it means that is x not equal to y? Is x not equal to y? And if I hit enter, the result is correct, because the values in x vector are not equal to y. So let me put x here once more. Before that, let me clear the screen. So let me put x again, and now I put y, but instead of that, I put 0, So make one element the same. And if I do the operations again, you will see that the third one is not correct. Means that the third one are equal, but all of the other elements are not the same.